at some ifs.
Yes, sir.
So today we'll try to do the average if and average ifs. Then if there is time, we will now revisit the one you didn't get clear, we'll revisit it.
Okay.
So this average is to find the average of your revenue. So you know what average is all about. So in this, the formula to get average is your total sum divided by your count.
Formula is
Your total sum
okay.
divided by your count.
Divide by your
Count.
count.
Yes.
Can you spell that?
Count. That's COUNT.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's let's do the count first. But I will still show you another way to do the average without doing the count. But let's do the count first. So you put your equal sign,
Mm,
type the formula count,
mm,
open your brackets,
mm.
you type in your revenue. You close the brackets. You're having 11. So there's something I need to explain in this count. Expand this. So the
Mm.
count only numbers, like the columns we are having numbers. That's the ones it counts. So like this now, we are having revenue, numbers are in the revenue. Month, numbers are in the month. And if you this count shows in this column, in this revenue column, how many cells are in this column, how many cells, like the figures in the cells in the column, this revenue column, the figures in this revenue, how many are there in the cells? So we are having cell D2, we are having cell D3. If you count it from cell D2 to cell D12 is 11.
Okay.
Yes. So
So, sir,
that's
if we want to count maybe the month now, because counting the month now, the figures in the month, they are 12. So if we want to do it now, we'll do the equals to count open bracket E2 to, okay, it's still the same thing. E2 to
still the same.
E12.
Yes.
Okay, to still
Okay.
give
So
11.
if let's count it now. Yes. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So
Okay.
this count also counts any row that is
That has a
having
figure.
numbers. Yes.
Okay.
So let's do for our currency. Our currency is equal sign count, open brackets, C2, C12, close the brackets. Have you seen it? It's
Yes,
showing
zero.
minus nothing is empty.
Nothing.
Yes. So that's for count. Now let's move over to average.
Mm.
Let's move over to average. Now I will show you the first method of using to getting our average and the second method to get our average.
Okay.
Alright. So to get our average,
Mm.
you type in your equal sign.
Mm.
We want to get average of this our revenue. Type in your equal sign average, open a bracket, your D2
Mhm.
column D12, you close the bracket, press your enter key. So we are having our average as 14,406 naira point 37. This is the first method of getting your average. Now to get the average, the second method,
Mm.
put your equal sign in your sum. You know we have our total revenue when we did our sum, right?
Mm.
Mhm. So you type in your F3, which is the total sum,
Mm.
divide
I'm going to
by
put
your
average.
L3. Yes, that's the second method to get your average.
So you're not putting the average, you're just going straight into it.
Yes, going straight into it. That's why I said average is your how did I define the average? Is your total sum divided by your count.
Divided by count.
Yes, that's how I divide. I explained it earlier. Your total
Okay.
sum divided by your count. Now I showed you the method on how to get your count, which is your 11. Now
Mm.
the second method is getting your total sum, your total revenue, which is this your sum, F3, divide by your count, which is L3. Put your enter key. It's showing us the same figure, right?
Mm. Yes.
Did you get the second step of getting the average? Both the first and the second step, did you get it?
Yes. Yes. But I think the first stage is more straightforward though.
Yes. The first stage is more straightforward due to you didn't why the second stage or the second formula is a little bit, will I say, complicated or confusing, is you will first of all get your total sum, your total revenue, and you will also get your count before you apply the second formula, right?
Yes.
Okay. But the first one, you just from you will just get it directly without applying the without getting your total sum and your count.
But this second one now, when you press F3 slash F3, you just press you just press
Enter key.
enter key.
Yes,
No open bracket, close bracket.
you can do your open bracket, but in this one, this one will not require anything. Just put the F3, divide your L3, press your enter key, it will go.
Okay, sir, please, the divide, the sign, is it divide sign or the slash?
Is is the slash. Yes,
Okay.
is the slash. Not even okay. Let me try the other slash to know if it will go. No, it won't. It won't work. It's the slash.
Mhm.
Yeah. So let's move over to your average if.
Okay.
So the average if is something applicable to your sum if, and sum ifs is also applicable to the average if. The average if comes with one condition.
Okay.
Yes. So the average if comes with one condition. So that is, if you want to get the average figure, the average sale made in naira. So
Mm.
average in naira. You type in your equal sign, type in your average if, you open your bracket. There is this command, the range. Can you see it?
Yes.
All right. So this range means column. You are you looking, like, are you focused? So we are focusing on is the currency. That is where the get is.
Mm.
So you now select currency, which is your C2, C12. You put your comma. Now the what is that's your criterion in this currency? which currency are you focusing on? Like you need to be specific so that the system will pick the message you are trying to pass to it,
Okay.
which is your naira. So before the naira, you put your comma, your quotation mark, your naira, quotation mark again, your comma. Now you're having the average range. So where are you? Which what are you looking for? So which is your revenue? You want to
Mm.
get average revenue we made in naira. So which is your D2, your column D12. You close the bracket, press your enter key. We are having 13,893 naira point 67 kobo.
Yeah, so if I just want to understand this average range, it is divided. So if you so everything in naira here is divided by was divided by 11 to give us
Yes,
this 13,893.67.
yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Alright. So later you will, on your own, you will
Mm,
do for average in dollars USD.
okay.
Yeah, on your own you can do that. Then let's move over to our average ifs. So this average ifs comes with numerous conditions. It comes with numerous conditions. So how many products are you having? We're having only two products here. Okay. So let's get average on dummy sales. Dummy sales in Naira. Let's let's leave Naira. Let's do dummy sales in US dollars. Average dummy USD. Type in your equal sign. Average is, you open your bracket. Now you're having your average range. So the average range is your revenue, which is your D2, your column D12, your comma. What is your criteria one? Your criteria one is your currency,
Mm.
which is your two is to C12, your comma. What is your criteria one? The first one is your criteria range one, and this
Mm.
second one is your criteria one. Did you did you get it, or is there any mix up somewhere?
No, I'm following.
Let's start afresh. The first is put your equal sign. You
Mm,
type in your formula, which is your average ifs.
mm,
You open your bracket. Your average range is your revenue, which is your D2 is to D12. You
mm,
put your comma. Your criteria range 1 is your currency.
mhm,
um Your criteria 1 is your USD.
mhm,
This is that USD is what you are looking for. It's the average you are looking for.
mm,
Put your quotation mark. You type in your USD, close your quotation mark, put your comma. Now, your criteria range 2
mm.
is your product. Are you still with me?
Yes.
Is your product, which is your A2 is to A12. Put your
Mm,
comma. Now, your criteria 2 is what product are you looking for, which is DAMI. Data analysis made is open your quotation mark, you type in your data analysis made is, close your quotation mark and you close the bracket, press your enter key. You're having 18,900 and 910 naira point 75. This is in dollars.
okay.
Did you see where I get the dollar sign?
No, please. Where did you get it? Okay, yes, yes, yes. Number.
Okay, yes. So in that your number, that dollar sign, if you want to put your naira sign, you click on that down arrow,
Mm,
click on more accounting formats. You click on currency, your symbol, you now select any of the naira sign, click on OK.
okay.
Yes. So in this our average ifs, do you have any question to ask?
Mm-mm. No, the conditions are always plenty.
Okay. You understood it.
Mm,
Alright. So let's go to the test functions which you did not get cleared. So which one you say you didn't get cleared? Let me.
substitute, rept, exact.
All right. So this our substitute.
Mm.
You did not get it right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do the substitute again. So I said if you want to substitute any of these product names,
Mm.
this our column A, the product. We are having data analysis, medicine, we have Esther skincare, right?
Yes.
Okay. So your cell two, you are having data analysis, medicine, and the other cells except cell 811, which you are having different products, but other ones are data analysis medis. So if you want to substitute this data analysis medis to a
Mm.
shorter name, like once you see that name, you know, yeah, this is data analysis medis.
Mm.
I said you put your equal sign,
Mm.
type in your formula, which is substitute. You open your bracket, you type in the text you want to substitute, which is, sorry, you first of all select the cell you want to do the substitute, which is your A2.
Mm.
You put your comma, then the text, you put your quotation mark, you type in the text you want to substitute, close your quotation mark, put your comma, quotation mark again, the name you want to substitute it
Mm.
with, you close your bracket, press your enter key. So if you did you notice anything? Did it change?
No, it's the same thing.
Alright. So and I explained that why this didn't change is because we did not apply the necessary spaces we didn't, put in exactly what we are having here in our A2, the cell A2. We didn't put exactly what we are having. Now, in this cell A2, let's start from the your data. You're having only one space before you
Mm.
enter analysis, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, after analysis, let's start counting. One, the first space. Two, from S, one, two, three, four. We're having four spaces after S, right?
Is it 4 or 3?
Okay, let's, after S, you're having one, two, three. Alright, we're having three spaces after S, after
Mm.
our analysis.
Mm.
Now, after our made, we are having how many again? Let's count. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are
Mm.
having seven spaces after our made. So
Okay.
if you did not apply these necessary spaces, it will not change anything in that cell.
Okay.
So let's go back and do the necessary change.
Mm.
So after our analysis, we're having how many again?
3.
Three. One, two, three. Then after our made, we're having how many again?
7.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. And press your enter key. It didn't go again. Which means apply. One, two, three. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Or is there a space after the the quotation mark in the easy?
No, no, no. Sorry, I get it now. The spaces are correct. Now,
Mm-hmm.
see where I have seen where the issue lies. The issue lies, in this. You would write exactly what you're having. So in this
Okay.
our mate, the ed is in small letter.
Okay, the DE. Yeah.
It's the de. So you write exactly what you're having on that cell, both what you are the exactly what you're having, both the spaces and the
Mm.
letters, how it's being written. You get?
Mm.
So I've done it. Once you press the enter key, it will change.
Mm.
Did you get it now?
Yes.
Okay. So the same thing applicable to, let's find for Esther skincare. You type in your equal sign, your substitute, open a bracket, your cell 11, which is
Mm.
where the product you want to change the name, you want to substitute the name. Your
Mm.
open your quotation mark, you type in your Esther space, only one space, skincare, close your quotation mark, put your comma, open another quotation mark. So Esther, which short letter do you want to use to replace this Esther skincare?
Yes, signal.
Okay. So you type in your ES. So if you want to put dots in between the letters, you can also. This this is your choice. So you close you close your quotation mark, close your brackets, press your enter key.
Okay.
Have you seen it?
Yes. Yes. Sir.
Did you understand it now?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so which other one you didn't get cleared?
Exact.
Exact. Alright. So this our exact, I said earlier that so the last class we did the exact, I said if what you're having in cell A2 is exactly the same we are having in other cells.
Mm.
So for us to get it, you put your equal sign, type in your exact, open your brackets, A2 column A12, sorry, A11. You close your brackets, press your enter key. So we are not doing it like we are not doing it the whole cells. Sorry, we are not doing it the whole cells. If what you are having in cell A2 is the same thing we are having in cell A3,
Mm.
you close your bracket, press your enter key. What is happening? What is happening? Oh, I shouldn't put that semicolon. I shouldn't put it. It's our comma. I should put.
Okay.
That's why we are having that error. You press your enter key.
Okay. So it's not semicolon.
It's not semicolon. Oh, did you get it?
Yes. Then, sir, please do the A2 and A11 if it will work.
Okay.
The exact.
Equal sign, exact, open your brackets, your A2, comma, your A11, close your brackets, press your enter key.
Yes. Okay. So it's just comparing two columns.
Yes,
Oh,
two cells,
okay, two cells.
two cells. The product we are having or the names we are having there, if is exactly the same with the cell, with the name we are having in the next cell,
Okay.
you get.
Yes. Then
uh,
rep.
so which other one you didn't get clearly?
Rept. Rept.
Okay, that is to repeat.
Mm.
That's to repeat. Is used to repeat names or numbers. How many times you want to repeat it? If you want to repeat it three, four, the number of times you want to repeat a particular name or a particular figure.
Mm.
So our formula is type in your equal sign,
Mm.
type in your formula, which is correct,
Mm.
or repeat, open your brackets. So are we still making use of your name, Esther, or which other name
Yes.
do you want?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you type in Esther. Before that, so before typing your Esther, you put in your
Quotation
quotation
mark.
mark. Yes. Same mistake I made. First, equal sign, you open your brackets, type in your reps, open your quotation mark, type in Esther, close your quotation mark. I will show you something in this. Let me do this one first. Then the second one I will still show you your comma. Do you want to repeat it two times or three times?
Two times. Three times.
Three times. You type in three. You close your bracket. Press your enter key. Check something. If oh, Esther,
So,
the formula like today. The formula is your equal sign rep.
mm.
Open your bracket, not bracket before the rep. You
Okay.
get. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So have you seen it? The thing has repeated Esther three times, right?
Yes.
But it did not give any space,
Mm.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for us to apply the space, our time is running out. For us to apply the space, let's put it and let's space this Esther. Type in your equal sign, your rect, open your brackets,
Mm.
your quotation mark, Esther. You type in Esther. Click your space bar to give space. You now close the quotation mark. Put your comma. Type in the three, which is the three times you want to repeat it. Close your bracket and
Mm.
press
Okay.
enter.
Okay.
Have you seen it?
Mm.
Did you get it?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And let's do another one. Adding number to the Esther. Equal sign. Your red. Open your brackets. Your quotation. Esther. Put your space. Close your quotation. Oh, what is? Why are you doing this? Put your comma. Open your quotation again. Let's say you want to write Esther 23. Close your quotation.
Mm.
Comma 3. Close your bracket. Press your enter key. What really happened?
Okay, so it's to write the Esther and 23 together.
Not right. You write your Esther. You give space. You write 23. Give
Mm.
space. Then close your quotation.
Okay.
Your comma 3. That's the
Three.
how many times you want to repeat it. You press your
Oh,
enter.
okay.
So this
Okay.
can be it will write the Esther 23 and give space to write another Esther 23 times.
Okay.
Any other one?
That transpose, I got it. But that day it was the way it was, you changed it again to another form. Is that
Yeah.
second form? I tried to change it because when I did it, it was too long. It was covering other columns.
Uh, okay, maybe I can do this one off because our time is up.
Or we can do it next class.
Okay, let's do that transpose next class.
No problems.
Let's do it next class because our time is up.
No problem.
All right.
All
So
right.
nice